Introducing the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This unapologetically rugged Gladiator is the ultimate trail partner. Available with a long list of off-road specific options, this midsize pickup's extended wheelbase offers a smooth ride and roomy rear seating. And tech-savvy infotainment and advanced safety features are on board to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated front seat, remote engine start, bed liner, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Bold versatility blends with modern convenience in this remarkable Gladiator. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.